Hello youths and you welcome in this my channel Ma'atugi Dev with me Marwan. What is the road map for learning React and Node? How to get started, and let's move. Before that, learning HTML5 and CSS3 and Bootstrap. What is Bootstrap? Bootstrap is created by Twitter for easy, simple learning, responsive web design. We will explain it to the channel in the future. And now, seriously, let's move!
The programming is divided into two parts, backend and frontend. The frontend divided more parts. Okay, the basic web technology, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. We've already talked about these basics. For more details, watch the video that appears at the top of the video. Build tools, npm and yarn. Where is npm and yarn? npm is a package manager for the JavaScript programming language maintained by npm, okay? And yarn, the similar yarn and advanced. Yarn is a long continuous length of interlocked fibers used in sewing, crocheting, knitting, weaving. Thread is a type of yarn intended for sewing by hand or machine. What is it? Ideas. Ideas is what is write the language, Visual Studio Code, okay? Or Sublime, Text 3 or Web Store. For me, it's very practical and practice this Visual Studio Code, okay? And now, what is your best? React or Angular and Vue.js. What is your best? Okay, and we do not say who is the best, but each of them his own method. For me, I practice React, and this is my specialty for learning. And now UI or UI libraries, Material UI and Bootstrap CSS. Bootstrap CSS created by Twitter. Material UI for practice the React. No icons, React. Move faster with intuitive React UI tools. And this is practice. Yes, Material UI is an open source front-end framework for React components that has 60 stars on GitHub. Is a backward compatible language extension for CSS. It's very simple, okay? And the tools use one from this, okay? Git, Jira, Jenkins, Docker. But the first in the world, GitHub. It's very easy for practice the code, okay? And the backend, this is my first part. The backend, okay? Learning REST API and REST API for created the account and storing security for JSON web token and authentication and authorization, and it's very important this part. And learning database, it's very simple for learning NoSQL, MongoDB and MySQL or another types for database, okay? In the international now, learning NoSQL and MongoDB and MySQL, but Oracle is very important for learning, okay? The more skill you gain, the better, okay? Read and learning and practice with me, and I will leave this website, this link for the roadmap in the description. And don't forget to subscribe in my channel. And thank you very much for watching, and see you next time.